Hello my wonderful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Thank you to all my returning subscribers. God bless you guys for always coming back again and again. To my new subscriber, you are highly welcome. And if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, turn on the bell on, every time just upload any video, any update, you will be the first person to notify. Yes my wonderful people, I'm back again with another gist, with another video. Nothing wey Musa no go see for the road of western world, and wahala be like bicycle my people. This gist my people, it happen for Italy, and there this matter for shele my people. Before I go into the details, make una first watch this particular video. I'll come back again. Just watch.
Oh yeah, again. See what the woman get belle. See with your husband, they disgrace yourself. Nigeria people when they not get shame. They not feel settle yourself for herself. Sister, what did they happen now? Now for settle all this thing for house now. Huh? Sister, what did they happen? No, I'm not video. I don't feel they happen now.
Make everybody work.
I'm not video now.
Before you come out, you fuck her or you not fuck her. Yes, you fuck me, but you not fuck me. You fuck me, but you not get the belle. Now give me belle.
See,
when
I travel, I travel go motor, I go work. When I talk,
Okay.
my friend call me say there is someone with on that man for house. Now 9 months I spent for there. How many months did this belle?
This belle dey 8 months. I dey be 9 months.
Okay, now your belly.
When you come out,
Now you fuck
now 7 months. Now you dey there, not be 9
Now
months.
you fuck her, you fuck her, you not fuck her.
Now 9 months. Which kind of 9 months?
Okay, now my friend.
Which
You
kind
fuck her,
of
you not
9 months?
fuck her. Where you think say now you
Oh, where you dey go?
How carry
Where you
your
dey go?
Because I don't buy motor. I don't buy motor.
Where you dey suffer? This day stand for
I
you.
don't dey there. When
Now
I
she
see
plan
now
for
my house you dey. Now my house you
Stay your
dey.
house.
I beg. See how they disgrace yourself. Another man, belle.
Now you give me belle.
Shut up.
Now you give me the belle.
Another man.
People say she dey video me. You not concern me. Now she give me the belle. Now you give me the
Another
belle.
man pikin now want give me. That's what they do for Europe.
Now you sleep.
Europe girls. The Europe girls. That's what they do.
I don't blame you.
Another man pikin now she
You
want
dey
give
deny the
me.
belle. You
Yeah.
dey deny the belle.
See this one, you don't know yourself. You probably you get man they talk to me anyhow.
Okay, you fuck her, you not fuck her.
You fuck her, you not fuck.
Now you get picky, you come
Now
carry
you
your
get
responsibility.
Give me a motor key. Give me a motor
Which
key.
I
one
don't
dey
give
give
you.
You no go
He
collect
dey
the
with
key.
me. I
Give
don't
me a
collect.
key.
Collect the key.
I don't collect, I don't comot.
Give me a car key.
I
Now
don't
give her that key. Now you give me the belle.
Tell your friend give me a car key.
He not go give you that car key. How you tell me say
When I never buy motor, when I dey suffer.
Forget motor. Now my house you
That's what
dey.
they do. Oh.
Now my house now you dey.
Once they dey Europe, they see say the boy don dey better, don dey progress. Una come dey carry people belle.
I dey suffer. I dey wait. Make you come. You dey tell me, no. I go remove the belle. Now I go remove 7 months belle.
Not my pikin.
Now I go remove 7 months belle. Okay, why you not be why you so much go remove it?
People dey call me, I dey see your wife with another man.
Now you
I
keep
dey
the
see your
man for
wife.
me.
See your
When you
life.
come and you see man for my house. When you come, you see man with
That trouser when I still get am.
Which trouser? Which trouser?
See am. I see one trouser. When I ask am, who get this trouser? Who get this trouser? Who get these boxers? What do you talk?
Which bosses?
No matter you say na me get am. Me. I don't know wetin I buy. I see trouser, I see boxers. I say my house. Don't make get the belle.
House that house where you rent. Now, since when you come out, my suffer dey say
Give my
dey
car
pay
key,
house
madam.
rent.
Okay, I don't dey give you car key.
Give me a car key.
I don't dey give you any car key. Carry your responsibility.
I will call police.
When you never anything, now this girl, now she come for you, now she dey help you. Now your leg don better, she don change your
May I
leg
call
now.
police? May I call police?
You don dey get mad.
You will be weakness. So if police come, you will
Now you
talk.
give me the belle o.
Carry your responsibility.
May I call police?
Now you give me the belle.
Carry your responsibility.
How you give me belle?
When
You
you
say
see
you
say
give
na
me
go
belle.
take care of this baby.
Madam, come on, your man will slap you.
Okay, try am. Carry your
You give me
responsibility.
belle. You tell me say,
Na the
now
mother
go
of your
remove
baby.
Now go remove the belle.
Na the mother of your baby. He carry your baby.
You
Now
know,
go remove
When
the
you
belle.
see say na you dey go.
Now go let go remove the belle. Now so you know why they do that. Give my belle. They go dey deny am. You go dey deny am.
run to,
Tell the police. Now yourself you want call police for. You
run
want
to.
call your police for yourself.
Hiyo problema kwa dona chef comment kama ndio ni kwa belle. You speak English? You speak English?
William.
Yeah, hello.
There's something coming, you no go do PN test. You say you know they do.
When I call police.
You know they do PN test. But you set up your belly. Now you get time.
How is police there?
You go to the PN test.
No, make
You
police
say
come.
no.
Make police come.
I ain't got the belly. That's what concern me.
Give me a card.
I cannot dey give you.
No,
You know they go and move
I
you.
will blow you.
Carry your responsibility.
You don't do it
Carry
belly.
your responsibility. You be
You
man.
don't do
Are
it
you
belly.
not man now?
You don't do it belly now.
Oh, that man picking.
You shall know that man pick.
When you dey fuck, you fuck, you not fuck.
No man now.
You fuck, you not fuck. Talk to me.
Don't be talk with you. You don't know what happen. You know you talk. You
You are my friend. I need to talk.
tell your friend that you told me to give her the
Are
loan.
you feeling the belly?
My wonderful people, yes, I don't come back again. Not see where Musa no go see. Wahala be like bicycle, my people. So Africa's people where they Western world. The kind, especially Nigeria, the kind behave where some of them they behave for this kind, for this Western world, eh? You yourself will just dey imagine say these people they sit there inside village are being inside town they no talk of Western world, my people. The kind character where many of them they bring come out, my people. Like these people now, it's just like they are still inside village. I don't know whether they be husband and wife or they be boyfriend and girlfriend, my people. See the way that they disgrace themselves for outside because of pregnancy where they're supposed to settle inside as with the third partner will not even aware of it. The way all those our Nigerians, whether now because now lack of education or now lack of interest, I don't even know, my people. Pregnancy not be waiting person they talk one or two. Now you have to go hospital. If the guy say it's not the owner, na DNA go solve everything, my people. Now DNA go solve everything. Then when they'll bring themselves outside, they disgrace themselves just like that. My people, it's just so disgusting for real. Some our Nigerian men, they still be like that too. After they don't impregnate their girlfriend or whatever, they'll come they deny the something. They'll come they calculate the months where they take meet the lady, the date and the time. My people, it's just so bad for real. Like many of them, they'll come they say now so the time where they travel, now so they see you with Peter or even John. Many of them don't come they talk like that so that may they for not take their responsibility as a man where they be. They come they deceive them. That is why, my people, it good not be all men where you say I love you, because many of them after they don't impregnate the lady, they come abandon them. That is why you see a lot of single mom had here, because many of them now our men wey still contribute na many pass, while some women they just decide to remain single. They just decide not to have anything with man or whatever. Like this kind thing now, like this kind thing wey happen now, a lot of things like that, my people, wey dey happen even this Western world wey we dey, even Africa sef, after they don deceive a lot of them, they'll come abandon them when the time wey they get belle. They'll come they like this very guy now, in dey tell the lady say in travel go matter. The time we travel spend 9 months for there, how manage the lady the pregnancy 8 months. My people, if the man really know say na him get the belle, or the woman really know say na the man, it's very simple. Now just to go doctor, and doctor go confirm how many months and the date and everything. No need for them to even come outside come dey disgrace themselves. DNA test solve everything, my people. Even the doctor sef na just to go where doctor dey, go confirm the months and the date and everything, because they know the date wey the woman get the belle. make e for not taking your own responsibility as a man. I make the man come dey bring different story. A lot of them like that, my people, for this Western world wey we dey. That is why women, make una see be careful, make una see not be everybody will just say hello una just open una leg for. At least make una see put eye for ground, because some men dey where they deceive women, also with women as well. Because now both sides, but person need to be very careful. Well guys, let me leave you guys for here. What do you think? Leave your comment in the comment section down below. See you guys on my next video. Please don't forget to like, share, and also leave your comment in the comment section down below. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.